my YouTube channel is the Side Hustle Shuffle, right? And we go and we talk about ways to make money online. We talk about ways to make money on the side, different income streams, because I believe one income stream isn't enough. You know, having a job is great. I'm not telling you to quit your job or you're going to make money overnight, you're going to quit your job, but that's one income stream, right? So you need other income coming in, little side incomes, you know. And my recommendation is a YouTube channel. You start the YouTube channel, okay, and you build it up, and you get, it's a double bang, because you get ad money. The ads that play on the YouTube videos, you get a percentage of those. You get paid for those, and you can also put what's called affiliate links in the description, and when people click those links, you can make some money. Now, it's pretty simple idea, and you can do it for free. The YouTube channel costs nothing, right? Now, the affiliate links, you can use Amazon, and you can apply to Amazon's affiliate program and sell anything Amazon has on, and put affiliate links in there and get commission. You drive traffic to Amazon, and you get commissions for driving traffic to Amazon. And the great thing about that is, people get driven to Amazon, they go, oh, it's Amazon, let me get my credit card out. They're fully confident and they trust Amazon, 100% trust factor with Amazon. Not sending them to your other website where they're like, I don't know if I want to put my credit card on this website because I don't know, you know. But Amazon, they're gonna spend money, and Amazon's gonna also suggest other things. So when you drive traffic to Amazon, you get what's called cookied. You ever know what cookies are? You've seen accept cookies on the back, Donna. So it gets marked to you so that you sent them there, right? And you would get commissions on anything they bought for 24 hours. So if they bought something later, you would still be under the cookie and you would get commissions. So no matter what they buy in 24 hours, you get commissions for. So all you got to do is drive the traffic to Amazon. So what people do is they have a YouTube channel or an Instagram channel or a TikTok channel or something like that in a niche. They call it a niche, which is a specific thing, a subject, a hobby, an activity, right? And they do it in the video, and whatever they're using in the video, they put links to it in the description. Say, hey, you like what I'm doing here? You like this thing I'm using? The link is in the description. You go down there and get it. And dog's barking, ignore him. And when you drive them through Amazon, you get cookie to them for 24 hours, right? And that's a pretty cool way to make money.